You are about to discover how to lose weight in just 30 days with intermittent fasting. You will learn how to lose weight fast by fixing your diet for the next month, and you'll learn how to keep the weight off permanently. We've helped thousands of people lose weight with our 30-day shred, and we can help you too. Let's get started. Day 1 to 7. Week 1 is all about getting you into ketosis. For the first week, you will be eating 2 meals per day, one at lunch and one at dinner. Skip breakfast and any snacks in between. These meals should only consist of foods that are in the green section of this image. Only eat these types of foods for the first 7 days. Avoid everything else. Eat until you are comfortably full at each meal. This means no portion control. Fill your stomach and enjoy your food. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before your meals. This will help you feel full and prevent overeating. It is recommended to drink at least 2 liters of water per day. When choosing your 2 daily meals from the green foods, you should try to include both protein and healthy fats. Some great options for lunch include tuna salad with avocado, chicken salad with mayonnaise, Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds, or cottage cheese with fruit. For dinner, you could have baked salmon with asparagus, grilled steak with cauliflower rice, or pork chops with Brussels sprouts. Feel free to mix and match different proteins and vegetables to come up with your own delicious meals. As you are eating your 2 daily meals, you may start to feel hungry in between. If you do, make sure to drink a glass of water first. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger. Also, don't worry if you feel a little tired or weak during the first few days. This is completely normal when starting keto. It happens because your body is going through a transition period as it switches from burning sugar for energy to burning fat. Just give your body some time to adjust, and you'll be feeling great in no time. Week 2 is all about adding variety to your diet. For the second week, you will continue eating 2 meals per day, but you can now add in some new foods from the yellow section of this image. This is in addition to the green foods that you were already eating. This means that you can now enjoy foods like bacon, sausage, pepperoni, cheese, and butter. These are all delicious options that can help you stay in ketosis, while also providing your body with the nutrients it needs to stay strong and healthy. For example, you can start your day with 2 strips of bacon and a bowl of mixed berries. Or you can make a cheesy omelet with spinach and mushrooms. For lunch, you could have a ham and cheese sandwich on a bed of lettuce with tomato slices and mustard. Or you could go for a Caesar salad with grilled chicken and a side of bacon bits. And for dinner, you could prepare a tasty keto pizza with pepperoni, sausage, and plenty of cheese. Just remember to keep the carbs low and the fat high. A good rule of thumb is to keep your carb count under 30 grams per day. If you are finding it difficult to stick to the yellow food list for week 2, you can choose to go back to only eating green foods for another week. The important thing is that you listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard. If you are not feeling well, just take a break and rest. But most importantly, don't give up. Staying in ketosis is worth it. Week 3 is all about upping your protein intake. For the third week, you will continue eating 2 meals per day. But you should now add in some more protein-rich foods from the blue section of this image. These foods include lean meats, seafood, and low-fat dairy products. In addition to the green and yellow foods that you were already eating, this means that you can now enjoy a wider variety of delicious and nutritious meals. For example, you can have a protein shake made with Greek yogurt, almond milk, and berries for a quick and easy breakfast. Or you could start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with nuts, seeds, and a drizzle of honey. For lunch, you could make a turkey sandwich on whole grain bread with lettuce, tomato, and mustard. Or you could go for a wrap made with spinach, feta cheese, cucumbers, and bell peppers. And for dinner, you could prepare a stir-fry with tofu, broccoli, carrots, and brown rice, or go for a baked chicken breast with mashed sweet potato and green beans. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before your meals. This will help you feel full and prevent overeating. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day. If you are still feeling hungry in between meals, you can snack on a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit. Just make sure to keep the portions small. Remember, the goal is to provide your body with the nutrients it needs to stay strong and healthy while still helping you burn fat. Week 4 is all about maintenance. By now, your body should be in ketosis and you should be feeling great. For the 4th week, you can continue doing the same thing, or you can start adding in some more variety to your diet. You can start by adding in some new foods from the green, yellow, and blue sections. You can also start exercising again if you have been cleared by your doctor. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. As you are doing this, make sure to listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard. If you are not feeling well, just take a break and rest. As you are transitioning back into your normal routine, you may start to feel hungry in between meals. If you do, make sure to drink a glass of water first. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger. You can also snack on a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit if you are still hungry after drinking water. But remember to keep the portions small. At the end of the 4 weeks, you should have lost a significant amount of weight and you should be feeling great. But please remember that everyone is different and your results may vary. Some people may lose more weight than others, while some may lose less. Additionally, some people may feel great after 4 weeks of ketosis, while others may not. It all depends on your individual circumstances and how your body responds to ketosis. There are many benefits to losing weight. It can improve your health, make you more active, and boost your confidence. However, it is important to remember that losing weight can also have negative consequences if not done correctly. That's why we recommend following a 30-day shred program. Like this one, to ensure that you are losing weight in a safe and effective manner, our program provides you with the tools and support you need to achieve your weight loss goals without risking your health. We understand that losing weight can be a difficult and frustrating process, which is why we have designed a program that is not only effective, but also easy to follow. We know that you are busy, so we have created a plan that fits around your lifestyle, not against it. We want you to enjoy the journey to a healthier you, which is why we have included plenty of delicious recipes and tips to make sticking to your weight loss plan easy and enjoyable. Now that you know how to lose weight in just 30 days with intermittent fasting, it's time to put it into practice. We know that you can do it. So get started today and see the amazing results for yourself. If you are looking for additional support, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to help you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your weight loss journey.